Which shape of kitchen sink is best for your house? Dear friends, choosing the right kitchen sink shape is very important for both style and functionality. The best sink shape depends on your kitchen size, cooking habits, and cleaning needs. Let's explore the most popular kitchen sink shapes and find out which one is best for your home. A rectangular kitchen sink is the most common and practical option. It offers plenty of space for washing large utensils, baking trays, and cookware. This shape fits perfectly in modern kitchens and provides maximum working area. Square sinks are compact and stylish. They are a great choice for small kitchens or minimal designs. However, they may feel slightly less comfortable when washing larger pots and pans. Round or oval sinks look elegant and are easier to clean because there are no sharp corners where dirt can collect. These sinks are ideal for small kitchens or bar areas, but they usually provide less usable space. For most homeowners, a rectangular sink is considered the best choice because it combines functionality, storage space, and convenience. It works well with single bowl and double bowl designs and suits almost every kitchen layout. Before choosing a sink shape, always consider your kitchen size, countertop space, and daily usage. A well-chosen sink can make your kitchen more beautiful, efficient, and comfortable to use every day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.